Good evening. Well, it's certainly turning into quite a chilly night now. We've had an area of rain clearing towards the south of the country through the daytime. In fact, the skies did brighten a bit quicker across the northwest. And we've just got this ridge of high pressure starting to build in. So it really is going to give us quite a cold finish to the day. Temperatures across southern parts of Cumbria and into Lancashire as low as -1 Celsius. So a frosty night and a frosty start to the day tomorrow, but a fine autumnal day. Sunday, just a little bit of clouds starting to come in from the west, but that's about the main change really. The wind is also going to come more from the south tomorrow as well. So daytime temperatures reaching a maximum of 14 Celsius.